So got my cast iron skillet ready to go. It's starting to smoke now. Put some olive oil in, about a tablespoon or two. Get that going. And right before it's about to smoke, I'll throw them in once it starts shimmering. And you want this scorched hot. Scalding hot, just put 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. I'm going to put 2 steaks in. We got 4 to go in. I'm going to do 2 steaks. I'm going to do 2 small ones first. I'll do 1 minute each side. So in, and in, for about a minute each side. So when you're cooking on a cast iron skillet, it'll start changing color halfway up a little bit, so you can see the brown coming up. That's when it flips, and it won't be stuck to the pan anymore. You'll notice this quick releases right away. You flip it.
Look at that color.
You flip it, and that's the crust you're after. So because they're New York strips, they're gonna have a little fat cap. So I'm going to put it on its side to melt the fat. And I'll put them both on their fat side to melt the side, and then hold it over for the same amount of time, maybe about a minute. When I end up getting the fat side, I'm going to butter bake the steak. So I'm going to put it back on the original side it was on. And then I'm going to put 2 knobs of butter in there. And I'm going to put some crushed garlic in there. And I'm going to put 2 sprigs of thyme, or rosemary. I'm going to let the butter form a coat, and then I'll butter bake the steak with a spoon. Color's perfect. Take it out and put it onto a plate for resting for at least 10 minutes. And make sure you take out everything to put on top of the steak. The garlic, the rosemary. You want it all on top of the steak. And I'll pour that butter all over it. So dinner is served. You got Alicia's famous mashed potatoes. And I say famous, but literally people that come here die for that. And this is that roll that you saw the video. Of course, you see this point, you came this far. This is a roll. I'll slice it here in a second so you can see the inside. The New York strips with the rosemary garlic, and then of course the poivre sauce, which I didn't record this time because you had on another video. So I'll go ahead and slice this. Again, we haven't sliced it yet, so we'll see how this comes out. Oh, that came out perfect.
Let me see.
And again, you can see the spinach and the ricotta and the meat, the potatoes. That came out really good.